So, if you want a companion, you have to go to a tavern, and you can go there and talk to the people inside, the people that you can recruit as a companion. To go to a tavern, you can go there by walking around the town or the city, or you can just go from the main menu of the city. You press Alt, you can see the people you can talk to. I can talk to this guy. You can ask his story or skip, and then you can ask him to be your companion. They usually ask you to pay something around 1000, and once you do it, once you accept, you're gonna be able to have them as companion. Once you have them as companion, you can customize them, going in the same tab that you can customize yourself. You just have to click here, and you're gonna be able to customize their weapons, clothes, and everything like it is your character. So this is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.